Hey everyone, this is Jack from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my 72-hour Freedom Challenge review plus $1,200 bonus. On today's agenda, we're going to cover: is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying? And are there better alternatives? Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Plus, I also have a special free gift for you. So who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Jack, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. So a while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. So I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Quick disclaimer. So I am an affiliate, so that means if you buy the course from my affiliate link in the pinned comment below, then I will make a commission. This is at no additional cost to you, of course. With that said, I'll strive to still give you my honest opinion, so I'll strive to give you a balanced and honest review so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what is the 72-hour Freedom Challenge? So it's an online coaching program, and this program teaches students how to make money with affiliate marketing. It was created by a man named Jonathan Montoya. So Jonathan is an ex-engineer who was able to leave his 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. He is now a successful internet marketer who has created multiple online courses. And what is affiliate marketing? So it's a business model where you make money by selling other people's products or services. All right, so how does the business model work? First, you're going to become an affiliate. So you're going to become an affiliate for the programs Jonathan recommends within the course itself. It'll be for programs like Freedom Accelerator, Wealth Warriors, and the 72-hour Freedom Challenge itself. Okay, next you're going to make your funnel. So you're going to take your affiliate links from the programs you just registered for and plug them into Jonathan Montoya's funnel creation software, Funnel Freedom. So yeah, Funnel Freedom's gonna make your website, make your email campaign and everything. It's great. Then you're gonna focus on traffic. You're gonna make short form videos. So you're gonna create short 5 to 15-second videos that can get traffic into your sales funnel fast. These will be for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And on top of that, if you want to close more sales, you can use direct messaging. So you can use DMs to talk to potential customers and see if they're interested in buying some of the programs that you're an affiliate for. And then ultimately you make money. So you repeat the previous steps and you ultimately make money. You get traffic, you talk to people in the DMs, and get people into your funnel, and ultimately they like what they see and they buy. All right, so is it a scam? And I would say no, it's not a scam. Jonathan Montoya has a good reputation in the internet marketing community, and many of the strategies he teaches are ones that I've used in the past or I am still using today. And plus, I am a customer of Jonathan Montoya. I've bought his products. They're great. I know they're great. They're not a scam. All right, so let's go over the good of the program. So one thing I really like about 72-hour challenge is that it holds your hand and walks you through. At no point do you ever feel lost. Jonathan records these videos that teach you what to do, whether it's applying for those programs, plugging in your links, anything like that. You never feel lost. Another thing I really like about 72-hour challenge is that it's very cheap. At the time of this video, the challenge is just $9. Just $9 just to jump into this program. And of course, yeah, it's maybe you're new to making money online. Maybe you're new to affiliate marketing in general. But yeah, maybe you don't know if you even like it. Well, yeah, just $9 to see if you even like the program. And yeah, Jonathan Montoya does have a refund policy. So if you don't, maybe you don't like the program, yeah, you can get your money back, no questions asked. And another thing I like is are the AI tools, which save you a lot of time. So Funnel Freedom, that saves so much time when it comes to creating a funnel. You don't have to do that manually yourself anymore. You could just just plug in your links and then you're good to go. That's fantastic. Okay, let's go over the bad of the program. So yeah, I would say being on camera can be uncomfortable. When you're making your short form videos, generally you do want to be on camera. That's going to be more effective. People will trust you more, bond with you more. But I get it. Maybe you don't trust internet strangers. Maybe you're just camera shy. It can be uncomfortable for sure, and I get that. Also, yeah, this course still ultimately relies on your time and effort. It's not a silver bullet for getting rich quick. It's a great program, but it's only as good as the work that you put into it. So definitely be sure to put in that work if you do decide to go into it. And also, success can also rely on market conditions. So what I mean by that is maybe you've done everything perfectly that he says, but no one can guarantee you sales. No one can guarantee you that people will buy this. It's up to the people to decide if they want it or not. And yeah, maybe they've already purchased things like Wealth Warriors and Freedom Accelerator already. So like, why would they purchase that again? And the market conditions are going to decide your bottom line ultimately. And to an extent, that's not within your control, unfortunately. But yeah. All right, so what's the final verdict? I would say, yeah, it's a great program. So both beginners and experts to making money online can follow the well-crafted training videos to get results. However, this course is not a silver bullet and still relies on how much effort you put into it. So yeah, if you are interested in the program, you can learn more and purchase the program from the link in the pinned comment below. Okay. And I also have a bonus for you. So my bonus to you, so if you purchase the course from my link in the pinned comment below, I will give you a $1,200 bonus free of charge. This is called Launch Boost Coaching. So if you purchase the course from my link, I'll give you 14 days of personal coaching with me. And this coaching, it's going to be email-based, so we're going to talk through email. And no matter how busy I am, I promise to respond to you within 24 hours. You're going to be a priority for me. And you can talk to me about nearly anything. And I mean anything. I've been where you are before. I can help you with things like motivation and accountability. Maybe you just need to find the drive to keep going. I was in your shoes before. I can help you with that. I can help you with overcoming challenges and obstacles. Inevitably, in online business, you're going to face some challenges and obstacles that are going to get in your way. And like, you have to figure out what to do in that sense. And I can give you advice on that. Also, something that gets overlooked are health, nutrition, and relationships. And these are the things that kind of like the glue that holds your life together, that keeps things in order. And you need to worry about those things. You want those things to be in order so you can have a great business too. So to get the bonus, purchase the program from my link in the pinned comment below. Take a picture of your receipt and email it to me at jack@jacksdigitalventures.net. Yep, just a warning. Make sure to clear your cookies. So make sure to clear the cookies in your browser before clicking my link. Otherwise, it may not work properly. If you don't know how to do that, I will also have instructions in the pinned comment as well. Okay, that all sounds great. So but at the end of the day, what if you're not interested in the 72-hour freedom challenge? Are there any other alternatives? And I would say yes, I've got something great for you. It's free. And yeah, I also touch on high-ticket affiliate marketing. And high-ticket affiliate marketing is yeah, it's very, very similar to what Jonathan is teaching in 72-hour challenge. So high ticket affiliate marketing is like affiliate marketing, but it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. And what I like about it is that there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. That all sounds great. So what if you're interested in this opportunity? Well, you can get started by using My Free Gift. And My Free Gift, it's a free online course. Yeah, it's a free course, so you can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below as well. So they're both down there, the 72-hour challenge and my free online course. And it'll teach you everything you need to get started. So yeah, if don't feel like a paid course right now, want something free, well, I've got that for you too. All right, but thank you so much. This has been my, I'm Jack from Jack's Digital Ventures, and this has been my 72-hour Freedom Challenge review, plus a $1,200 bonus. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about the free gift in the pinned comment below, as well as 72-hour challenge is there as well if you want that. But thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Have a great day.